feeding ham and cabbage to the Silkie chickens. It seems Gold likes ham. Couple likes cabbage. Copper is eating hesitantly. Silver is eating ham too. They seems to like meat quite a bit. Now eating muffin. Gold likes sweets too. Silver ate some too. Buff finally came. Buff, do you want to eat too? It seems Buff doesn't want to eat. Now that the top-pecking order chickens, Gold and Silver, are gone, Copper can eat comfortably. Buff is eating grass. Buff doesn't eat human leftover very much. She mainly eats natural foods. The next day, it rained heavily. The Silkies are sheltering from the rain. Copper is eating inside the coop. Silver got a little wet. Calm and gentle. She's taking shelter in a dry spot.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.